Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Docs. Drop-downs are useful for project trackers, status updates, checklist, or any document where you want people to pick from the options instead of typing free text. So you can see here I have this task list where I can see the status on the left side, so I can choose if this task is not started yet, it's blocked, in progress, or completed. And if you want to do this drop down, what you have to do, you want to select the cell, then you can click on insert, and from the drop down you want to choose smart chips, and here you're going to find drop down. You want to click on it, and now there are two ways. You can create a new one with your own options one by one. So you will click on this new drop down, or you can also use those two presets. So you have project status, you have those four options here, then you have review status. So if I, for example, click on this project status, you can see I have now this added to my checklist. And now the thing is, there is actually no way how you can add this drop down to all of the cells you want. So what you have to do, you want to basically select this cell with this drop down. You want to Control C or Command C, or you can right click and you want to copy. And now you're going to select the area where you want to add your drop down to. Control V or Command V, or you can right click and paste, and now you have created a drop down in every cell like this. And then you can check all of your tasks if they are in progress or they are completed. And if you want to create your own one, you can go again to Smart Chips drop down, and here if you click on New drop down, it's going to open this configuration window where you can name your template, so you can then later use this template somewhere else. Then you can change color of each option. You can name each option, and after that you can also drag those options, so you can change the order of your options. You can also add as many options as you want. You can delete them, so you can maybe create only two options, then click on save, and now you have your own drop down. And again, you want to copy your cell and select the cells where you want to add this drop down to and paste it. This is how you can add drop down. One more thing, you can also add this. If you don't want to always click on this insert, you can basically select the cell and you can type @ and here type drop down. And now you can choose, you can see this is my template which I created with those two options, so I can use this one. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.